Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about using video pins. Let's get started. Pinterest started to implement videos around 2016 so that people can enjoy the ability to play videos when they click or tap on a video pin. Today, businesses can upload their videos on Pinterest as video pins to attract more people to click on their pin, get to know their brand, and also promote their brand. You can upload videos on your profile. Like any regular Pinterest pin, you must add a title, description, and include a link to your website. With video pins, you can share more and bring still photos to life. Let's talk about the benefits of having video pins for your branding. First, brand awareness. Videos can help a brand's content to be discovered by their target audiences, since videos stand out from other pins which are still photos. Videos that pinners are discovering on Pinterest inspire them to take action. Since people are looking for ideas and inspiration from the Pinterest search results, watching short videos on the platform gives them a different emotion compared to just still photos. Next, storytelling. With video pins, you can easily tell a story in just a few seconds or minutes of the video. You must hook your audience within the first 3 seconds of the video to attract them to stay and watch your video pin. It's also great to include a logo or a watermark on your video to show a branded video pin. But you must avoid placing a watermark or a logo on the bottom right part of your video. Next, showcase your products. Pinners are more likely to stay and watch videos that demonstrate how to use a product or show activities where the products that the brand sells can be used. Let's take a look at an example product from this brand. When people discover this video pin, pinners can view the apparel of the brand TLF where this person who demonstrates a workout is using as his gym clothes. Pinners who are looking for workout video pins can discover this pin and they can be inspired to work out using the apparel that this person also uses in the video. Next, video pins are eye-catching. People love watching videos. If they're looking for DIY projects or how-to videos, pinners will choose video pins over photos since they would like to see the step-by-step process on how to build a project. Also, if you love to travel, you want to see videos of people who have been to beautiful places that you're planning to travel soon. Here are some tips that you can apply to video pins. Use a captivating cover image. Like thumbnails on YouTube, videos with good thumbnails are getting more clicks since they are using a strong cover photo that will attract their audiences to watch their video. If you have no thumbnails available for your video pin, you can create your video with a text overlay showing the title of the video. This way, you can choose that video image as your cover image when you upload your video on your profile and choose it as your cover image. This is the section where you can choose a cover image inside your video. But if you want to create a thumbnail for your video pin, it is much better. When you upload a video, you can just click on this button to upload the thumbnail for that video. Focus on the video rather than the audio. Most of the time, people watch videos on Pinterest with the sound off. People who are watching recipes can understand and still follow the steps for cooking the meal without the sound. You just need to add captions or text on your videos if you need to tell your viewers and let them know what step you are doing. That way, your viewers can still follow your procedure. Next, inspire people to try something new. People on Pinterest are already searching for ideas that they can try. If you create how-to videos, then your video pins are more likely to be watched by your viewers. These types of videos will urge the people to take action rather than just following a pin that will link to a blog or article. Video pins are great for sparking new ideas like do-it-yourself home hacks or how-to videos like making recipes. Creating video content and promoting them on Pinterest as video pins is a great strategy for your brand to get noticed by your target audiences since videos get more clicks and engagement. Now that you know about using video pins on Pinterest, we can now proceed to the next topic, saving pins using the browser button. I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.